Nigeria is the largest concentration of black people on earth. We must make it to succeed. Those who are calling for a breakup of Nigeria along ethnic lines are short-sighted. We profoundly respect them. They are short-sighted. They simply want to transfer national oppression, national exploitation to their own fiefdoms. That's all. It's not about, none of them is talking about education for everybody in their imagined republic. None of them is addressing the type of economy that will promote prosperity in the republic of their dream. It's all about, let us have our own fiefdom to continue the oppression of the masses. And that will not work. And by the way, all those who are demanding, who are declaring republics online, have they held referenda? Have they held plebiscites where the people have now said we are leaving Nigeria? Nobody has done that. A group of people just suddenly decide we want to go to where? You must address the problems of underdevelopment of the country. And these problems that they are posing as, or the excuse for a possible breakup, right? It's man-made. Those problems can be solved.
From Umukeze, Nuk became N-O-K. Nuk is the Doro, Unkaneme, Ucham of Ouwerre kingdoms or Ouwarre. Unkaneme Ekpi make it Nuk. First Nuk Paleolithic Africa stage about 200,000 BC to 45,000 BC. The ancients concentrated their Ucham within longitude 40 degrees north and 40 degrees south of the equator, while by 22,000 BCE, the second Nuk Neolithic African stage spread throughout the equatorial, tropical and subtropical world. Ouwarre, Ekpi and Ouwarre means Nuk. No amount of evidences will ever please to convince a fool. Knowledge is not really made for people that are happily being ignorant.